Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Well, I am Alexander and this is Alice, and thank you for joining us for this video today.
Thanks for having me.
Well, it's always a pleasure to have you here, Alice. We love you here and it's great. We love your message and it's fab to have Alice in the studio. So because I am so fortunate to have Alice here today, I wanted to address a concern which has been brought up by a couple of you out there. Now, there was a question that came across that if you were in a situation where, you have lost all your hair and you want to have something that feels natural and as close to how your bio hair was as possible. So that being said, we're probably not going to go into one of our really bright coloured wigs, one of our really bright things. We want a natural transition. So Alice being here with me today, what I would be saying is right, Alice, let's have a picture of your most recent bio hair or a picture of the most recent bio hair that would be the bio hair you would choose. So from that picture, whether it be mental or physical, then you've got somewhere to go at. Then you need to know about your client. You need to understand your client's needs. Does your client feel comfortable with hair on the face? Do they want it off the face? Is it a transition period? So I wanted to first off talk about Cody. Now Cody is an amazing piece. She's in the Amore Collection. She has a double monofilament cap, as you can see here, open wefted cap, adjustable straps in at the nape. We have this lovely double monofilament here. So this looks great. Now the colour itself is really important. So we've got creamy toffee R here. Now I'm going to use the R because it's going to be a rooted colour. Okay, so R means root. So first off, now remember the Amore wigs are a little bit tighter, a little bit smaller cap because they're designed for medicals. The idea is that we don't have as much hair to begin with, so we can have a slightly tighter cap, which that's fit really nice on Alice.
Feels really secure.
Now, what I'm going to do actually, Alice, I'm going to ask you to just maneuver that, and I want you to show the viewers at home those ear tabs. So if you hold the ear tabs, so if you can just look, guys, can you see that hand is a little bit higher than that one? So this, I'm going to show you a real person adjusting their wig. So if you could make those even for me, Alice. So all little tips like this, ladies, does that feel better? Okay, and if you let go, and I'm going to pass you a comb, and I just want to watch you comb that yourself.
Sweet. I love the bangs on this.
It looks gorgeous. And also Abby, who's our Alopecia ambassador, also here. Abby, her go-to wig to begin with was Cody. And you can see why she's been such a good seller. And like you've done it with the curtain bangs, looks great, or you can even take a big long one across the side, whichever. Making it your own looks great. So my message would be, ladies and gentlemen, how you feel good in a wig is how you're going to wear it comfortably. If you wear something comfortably, you feel confident. If you feel confident, you radiate better energy, and ultimately you feel good about yourself, so then you're going to wear the wig better. It's going to look and feel more natural because it feels more part of you. Now, should then Alice want to try something different, and she's becomes comfortable, because Cody is great because it has the hair on your face. If you are new to losing hair, having that hair around your face could make you feel a bit more comfortable. You might not be ready to brush it all off your face. But if you are ready, that's when we'd look at a lace part, which growing out here, a lace front. So it's growing out your head. Extended lace, so the lace is even longer, so you can then brush it right behind, and that will give the appearance of it growing out of your head. But the big message is here, ladies and gentlemen, is as much as I do know quite a bit about wigs, Alice wears them regularly, you are an individual and you have to feel comfortable and you have to feel your best version of you to be able to wear it with confidence. So whether it be a fringe, whether it be a double mono, whether it be a different cap construction, whether it be a lace front, lace part, if you feel the best version of you, ultimately you're going to look and feel great. I hope these tips have helped you. I'm Alexander, this is Alice. This is René of Paris, and we'll see you next time.
Thanks, guys.
Bye, everyone.